Welcome to this video on the difference between passkeys and passwords, and why passkeys are a safer alternative. While passwords are user-generated strings that are often reused and vulnerable to breaches, passkeys are secure, phishing-resistant, and based on public key cryptography. We are currently seeing a paradigm shift in authentication. We are moving away from relying on memory, things we know, to leveraging hardware and biometrics, things we have and things we are. The fundamental flaw of the current password system is the, quote, shared secret. When you and a website both know the same password, a breach at the service provider puts your sensitive information at risk. Passkeys solve this by using the cryptographic standards FIDO2 and WebAuthn. These protocols ensure that authentication is handled locally and securely. This works through asymmetric cryptography. Your device creates a pair of keys, a private key that never leaves your device, and a public key stored by the server. During a login, the server issues a challenge. Your device uses your private key and biometric verification to sign that challenge, which the server then verifies using the public key. As this comparison shows, passkeys offer superior security compared to passwords. They provide high resistance to phishing and eliminate the vulnerability of shared secrets. Beyond security, passkeys improve efficiency. They can cut login times by up to 80%, moving from a manual typing process to a quick biometric scan. There is also a significant business case. Managing password resets is costly, often costing large enterprises over $1 million annually. Passkeys are also immune to traditional phishing because they are cryptographically bound to the specific website domain. If you are on a fake site, the passkey simply will not work. You might wonder about usability across devices. Modern password managers allow you to securely sync your passkeys across different platforms. While powerful, passkeys do have constraints. You must consider backup methods to avoid lockout if a device is lost, as well as the need for hardware support and website adoption. In some environments, such as legacy systems or shared public terminals, hybrid authentication remains necessary for now. To start your transition, begin by using a modern password manager, ensure your OS supports passkeys, register on supported sites, and always set up a recovery device. By moving away from the, quote, shared secret model, we are securing our digital future with better cryptography.